Hello, welcome to Ken and Coffee. Today we're able to fix this Delonghi Caffe Corso. So what we did is we got the brew unit out and did a tune-up, pretty much cleaning out all the gears and stuff like that, taking this shower screen off, taking these bits out, lubricating the inside, and then replacing it. And then on the inside we lubricated all the gears, the part on top we cleaned it out, kind of looks like this also, and we just cleaned the machine through and through. So here's your test shot. And we're using our test coffee to do this. There's that shot for you. Then we're going to test the hot water. There's your hot water for you. Then we are going to test steam. There's that steam for you. Looking pretty good. And that's about it for this Caffe Corso. Thank you for the repair with us. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.